Hi, welcome to Cooper & Hunter, where quality meets affordability in HVAC equipment. Our bundled installation kit offers ease and convenience for HVAC installers, with all necessary components packaged neatly in one box. The main component of this kit is the line set itself. Cooper & Hunter line sets are made of 99.9% copper and come pre-insulated, pre-flared, and UV protected. 16-foot, 25-foot, and 50-foot options are available. The installation kit also includes a rubber drain hose with plastic coils. It's easy to see the difference in quality between the Cooper & Hunter hose and conventional brands. This kit also includes a 4x16 connection cable, complete with wire and connectors, bandage tape for bundling the communication cable with the line set, a wall sleeve, and neoprene for filling in the wall sleeve. At Cooper & Hunter, we believe in going above and beyond to offer our partners and customers the best quality for optimal durability, functionality, and longevity. Do you have any questions about our line sets? Leave them in the comments or reach out to our technical support team. Our agents offer exceptional customer service in English, Spanish, Russian, Ukrainian, and Mandarin. While you're here, why not check out some of our other videos? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.